Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today I want to show you our 10.25-inch Android screen that we installed in a 2010 Audi A6. Close the door, otherwise it's going to keep. Okay, so we replaced the factory screen to our screen so it retains all the factory function. And because this car didn't come with MMI, actually AMI multimedia basically input, so we have to activate the AUX, and we did it with the special box with the special interface that we have. So we activate auxiliary in the car, so technically you can use the aftermarket sound from that interface box to have auxiliary input. So the way that the unit works, basically you can use the MMI knob, you can navigate through that, or you can use the touchscreen. The unit comes with the digital cluster. As I said, it retains all the factory functions, or you can add backup camera if you don't have. By going to reverse, it shows the back of the car. That's the factory backup camera. And going back to park or drive, it goes back to the screen that we have. You can use it either on factory side or aftermarket side. Plus, you have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Right now, I'm doing wireless Apple CarPlay. You can do wireless Android Auto too. You can do wired too. And also when you're on Apple CarPlay, again you can use the knob, or you can use the touch screen. The unit, you can install apps inside the unit, and also you can insert SIM card. So you have the option of using it as like an individual tablet. This is the app section, so the Play Store, Google Play Store is there. You can install any apps that you want. So to buy this unit, regardless of what type of phone you have, iPhone or Android phone, you can purchase this unit. You can do Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or if you insert SIM card inside the unit, you can use it as like individual tablet, as I say. If you're interested to get this type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist.